And there's some thick stuff. You got a big heavy pack with stuff sticking out the top. Inside is not good. All these briar thorns grab you. They grab you pretty good. Alright. Oh man, this is crazy. This is crazy, this is crazy, this is crazy.
Going right there. Yeah, we just have to go around this. It shouldn't be all that far. I'm not going right. See where that, all those pine trees are? That's where we're going. Oh, okay. So with the kayak. You think we were going for 3 weeks?
Feels like it. I think I got about 35 pounds.
Mine was pretty light before I put water in.
Yeah.
How'd you weigh it? I think you only had 22 with water.
Before I put my water and food on here, I was at 28. So I figure I'm over 30 pounds.
I usually run.
That's not too bad. Oh, some of the spots are pretty thick.
That flashback thing? Overnight backpacking trip. So we came to the other side, which is the actual main entrance. You could probably north, so it's all the way as far across the lake as we go. Well, when we got here, Aiden and I convinced Lisa that we had to go right because there was trails looking, and that that's the way you had to go. Well, you were supposed to go left. If you go left, it's like a half a mile hike. If you go right, it's more like a 2.5, 3 mile.
Big difference.
So if you ever do that, go left. So yeah, we ended up, so we had to do like this. We had to go all, you know, go out around the lake, the legs of the lake. And then cross, and then go back, and go out, cross. Well, we kept running into fences too, because there's private property against the national forest here. So we had to keep crossing fences. It was a mess. It was pretty comical once we figured out what we figured out.
A little soft here. Says a little soft here. That's pretty thick.
On water? This isn't any good.
No.
I had to go that way.
There's a spot here. Looks like where people might have been going up.
All right, see that?
We check that out.
Aiden said we're running into water going this way. Yeah. A lot of water. A lot of water.
Yeah, we might stay. Well, we couldn't stay up there, could we? Because there was a fence. Check that out, maybe.
Yeah,
Maybe we can get up there and then go to the right.
I mean, Muddy?
Yeah.
Good thing I bring my runners.
I don't know if it's like
What you see?
grass. Oh yeah, we can do that.
Okay. So if anybody falls, it's okay. I got the video going. Pilling out, putting forward drive.
Hey, are you pushing on me?
Yeah.
No.
Hey, the best thing to do, Aiden, is stick a. Uh oh, you lost the water.
Dang it.
Put a stick on his butt, and that'll goose him up the hill.
Yeah, at least don't want to pull back.
He was inadvertently shedding weight, his water.
This
This is probably where I should have my trekking poles out.
This is the one that has the loose leg.
Okay, that's fine. It's got a money left too now. I can think of Gatorade. Where do you want it? 5?
You can do it.
Both of them? Yep.
Let's grab this Gatorade.
Good deer stand.
Oh, cool. We can get a little snack out of it, some corn.
How do you get off this?
Oh, there is a stand. Yeah, there's both a feeder and a stand. Yeah. The ultimate combo. Need help? Need help?
Yeah.
All right, let's give it a try. Ugh.
Hand me your stick. I'll pull you up.
Oh, this is
Keep your feet.
Oh, there we go.
Go ahead.
Here, grab this and video me falling down. I'm good.
That's not solid, by the way. That to your that's.
This is not.
Yeah, no. I broke it. You want a hand? Here.
All right. There, just please. Pull my britches up. You know, if it would have stayed up, I probably just could have went right across there. Over there to the right.
Here?
Yeah. But I don't know, did we have to cross a fence or something?
Yeah, well, there's a fence right here.
Oh, I see it now.
Yeah, that's hard to see now.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Oh, man, I wish we were about the hiking pole. I forgot about this stuff.
I've got trekking poles, I just got them attached to my... Say, this one's a little not as slick, huh?
So, man, I've been doing this for 3 hours.
Yeah. Ugh. Oh boy. Oh, this is what stinks because I got so many things sticking up top of my bag that catches on stuff.
Yeah.
Makes it hard to
Maneuver.
duck and go through all this. I got hung up on that first one over there.
Keep that one out away from me.
All right, thank you. Oh man, this is it's pretty thick right here. So this is the first time that we've well, that I've gone through this way, and it's some thick stuff. You got a big heavy pack with stuff sticking out the top. Inside is not good. All these briar thorns grab you. They grab you pretty good. Oh man, this is crazy. This is crazy, this is crazy, this is crazy. Ugh. Whew. All right, so whose idea was it to hike instead of kayak? We'd have been there already on the kayaks. Might have been me, maybe. Oh well. Woo. Oh. Oh.
You alright?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, hang on, I'm coming. It's still got over.
It's all over my neck.
Yeah.
Oh, sheesh.
Let me borrow your axe for a second.
I got a knife right here. The
Hi.
axe might be hard to get to.
Well, actually, it's right here.
All right. Whew. I was being attacked by briar vines.
You're good.
All right.
Higher than that, but
Oh, we're going down and up again. Oh wow, this is a little more than I was thinking it was going to be.
did I not warn you? I've been here before. Yeah. So here? No.
Oh boy. Down another big ravine. And up. Oh, more bending over.
Yeah. Apparently they went this way, Mark.
Okay. Oh, sheesh. There's a lot of little finger coves going through here, isn't there? More so than I thought. Huh. I don't look any better over there. I don't think. Let's take a look. It might be a little better over here. You can use the fence to grab onto. Whew. Alright. I really don't want to follow this 35-pound pack. Whoa! This is a little easier right here next to the fence. Okay.
Sure.
I'm not a plumber by trade, so
Did you stay at a Holiday Inn Express last night?
I might have. My pants are coming down.
Oh, that's why you said plumber.
Yeah.
I thought plumbers use
Ah, okay. Well, there's somewhat of some trails. I think.
This was easy. Anybody would do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is right before the pine.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, well, we're just, yeah, just right over there. So I don't know, probably this way to the right.
Just one thing.
That's a little, yeah. This is a workout. No, that's not how you were going. Trying to make everybody at home think you're running this trail.
I got my trail runners on.
Yeah. Alright, so we're almost to the where we're going to set up camp here. Man, that was quite an ordeal. My pants are falling down. I don't know why I always forget that when I go backpacking. The pack kind of rides right on your waist, your pants, and it just starts dropping your pants down. It's very uncomfortable. I need to remember to wear a belt next time. So we debated bringing kayaks. I really didn't want to have to load up kayaks and all that. And I was like, well, we'll just hike around. I don't know. I don't know if it's easier to deal with the kayaks and come over here, or that hike we just did. Distance wise, it's not bad. It's just up and down the ravines and just a brief fence crossing. We're gonna set up camp here, and then we'll bring you back, see what we got going on. Alright, so we got the Italian backpacking tent set up. We got the cot. Say nature hike, backpacking cot. We have a Thermarest self-inflating pad. Teton Sports Trailhead 20 degree rated sleeping bag. Sea to Summit pillow. And we got the backpack stashed over there. So everything fits. It's very windy out here. LBJ National Grasslands, Black Creek Lake. So I did a little time lapse of the treetops, and well, you'll see. But the wind was blowing so hard that some of the treetops were clanging together. Now let's take a look at the campsite here. We got Mr. Norway chilling in his hammock. We got Alan setting up Aiden, the bodyguard, setting up his hammock. Oh yeah, nice. Then here's Alan's setup. I hope my setup is not impeding on where he's gonna do his tarp. So I may have to put down that one side, which is fine. If I go to bed at night, that's going to come down anyway. So right now it's roughly 68 to 70 degrees, and we have like 20 to 30 mile an hour winds and gusts up to 40 at times. So here in a little bit, probably about an hour and a half or so, it's supposed to die down some, like 10 to 15 miles an hour. So that'll make it a little easier to set up our campfire and be able to cook. So we backpacked in, so everything you see, you know, we packed in, and it wasn't very far. I'd say it was about 300 to 400 yards, but it was just like a rough 300 or 400 yards. You can imagine, just up and down ravines and all the briar, thorns and vines just grabbing onto you, ducking way down under trees and things. It was just not an easy hike over here. So my pack was probably around 32 to 35 pounds. You know, I packed it a little heavier because I wanted a little bit more comfort when I come out here, seeing it was only, you know, 300 or 400 yards. But that it wore me out. It did. So definitely, if I was hiking further, I would definitely lighten my load for sure. That's definitely enough for one person.
Oh yeah.
So we got sausage, beef, smoked sausage, squash, zucchini, garlic herb, and then butter and a little bit of olive oil. And
runaway sausage.
This is why I wanted to bring the bigger one, bigger cooking thing. I have like a pot that's like this deep, that big around. But that would have been too big. So the stove that goes with this one, it's like good for 3 to 4 people, you know, cooking. And then this little one, the set that it came with, is good for like 2 people. This is a lot of food. I didn't know it was going to be this much. Someone might have to help me on that one.
I'm sure you'll get help. What's the white stuff?
This butter.
All of a sudden, somebody's interested.
There's butter involved.